Crunchy chicken wings with a sweet and savory sauce? Yes, please. The ingredient list for the sauce might seem complicated, but if you prepare things ahead of time before you put them together, you'll find that the sauce and the chicken are easy to make. Dashima is also called kombu, or sea kelp. I found some on Amazon, but if you go to an East Asian grocery store, you'll probably be able to find it there as well. Let's make the sauce first. Place the soy sauce, corn syrup, sugar, and water in a pot and bring it to a boil. After boiling for a few minutes, turn off the heat and then take your scallion, ginger, onion, apple, peppercorn, dashima, and bay leaf and infuse this into the soy sauce mixture for another few minutes. You can taste this and add more water if it's too salty, or more soy sauce if it's not salty enough. Once you take out the bits and pieces, you can add the minced garlic. Put the pot back on top of the heat and add a potato starch and water slurry to thicken the sauce a bit. Prepare the chicken wings by cutting the wings at their joints and cutting off the wing tip. Combine the water, flour, and cornstarch and coat the wings. Heat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add about 8 of the wings and check the temperature. You might need to adjust the temperature after adding the wings to maintain the oil temperature between 250 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the wings are light golden, around 7 minutes, you can take them out and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. If you want to prepare these ahead of time, you can do the first fry and then place them in the fridge after you let them cool down and cover them loosely with foil. Once you've completed the first frying, you can increase the oil temperature to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the wings a second time until they're golden brown. You will also need to keep an eye on the temperature and adjust as needed. This takes an additional 7 minutes. Serve the wings with soy ginger garlic sauce.